Hey everyone, hi, I'm Wendy Myers. Thanks so much for joining me today. I want to talk to you about how to balance your hormones in 3 easy steps. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe to get notifications as well. You can click that button down below. It's so appreciated. You'll get a notification every time I have a video. So today I want to talk to you about the 3 things that you can do to quickly balance your hormones. Number 1, you want to attend to liver function. The liver is responsible for metabolizing excess hormones. A lot of people don't have proper liver functioning. Number 2, you can assess your hormones with a bioenergetic scan. So I will talk more about that in a second. And also you can take very simple hormone replacement creams to facilitate balancing your hormones, namely progesterone. And I'll help you make some distinctions about what kind of cream to take and how much, and also give you a couple supplement recommendations. Very easy things to do, and this is what I do. These things are super simple and effective. So the first one is addressing liver function. So a lot of people don't realize the liver does over 500 functions in the body, and one of those is metabolizing and recycling excess estrogen. And it does, works with other hormones as well, like your thyroid hormones, but it's amazing when you think about the statistics. 100 million people in the United States alone have fatty liver disease. So those are people that have a severe diagnosis that impacts liver functioning. What about all the other people who just their livers aren't functioning optimally? And you think about that, it's not surprising why people have hormonal imbalance. So I created a 14-day liver rehab cleanse. You can click the link below to learn more about that. We have 10 different experts talking about how to balance your liver. We do this 14-day cleanse. It's super simple. I also have a supplement called Daily Detox, which it's a liver superfood greens powder that has fermented broccoli sprouts, and it's 100% organic, and you can get that at the link below as well. It has ingredients in it that focus on liver function and liver repair and optimizing liver function. So that's a really easy thing that you can do. You can just do the Daily Detox alone, and that will dramatically improve liver functioning as well by giving you all the nutrients it needs to function, namely the fermented broccoli sprouts. In that gives you sulforaphane, which helps to detox different toxins that interfere in hormone function. Fermented broccoli sprouts are also known to help get rid of toxic estrogens in the body as well. Just so many different benefits to optimizing liver functioning and giving your liver some love and some nutrients that it needs. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about hormone replacement and how easy that can be. So a lot of women have estrogen dominance, where their estrogen levels are too high in comparison to their progesterone levels. I interviewed a brilliant doctor, Dr. Michael Platt, on my Myers Detox podcast, and we talked about this progesterone, and this is a 5% strength progesterone that he recommends. It's absolutely amazing. I put it on twice a day. I do 1 pump twice a day, and just that simple thing, this 5% concentration of progesterone, all natural, that helps to block adrenaline. It helps to balance out estrogens in your body when women have too much estrogen in comparison to progesterone. Men need this as well. It's not just women. And so this is one of the single best progesterone products that I've used, and you can get that at Platt Wellness, but there'll be a link down below to this. And if you need estrogen, you can also do his 2.5 estriol bioidentical cream. I use this also. Absolutely fantastic. There's no harm in it. If it's, maybe you don't need extra estrogen, there's no harm in it, but you can just try it, see if it works for you. I definitely noticed a huge difference when I started taking the progesterone. I was sleeping better. I just felt more calm, because one of the main things this does is that blocks adrenaline, which makes you feel stress, which makes you kind of have that fight or flight kind of reaction, which prevents you from going to sleep, or it causes you to wake up too early. And so I just slept really well the first night I started using this. And the progesterone also helps if you have cramps. Cramps can also be caused by adrenaline, teeth grinding at night. There's a lot of different things that are addressed with just taking progesterone cream, but it has to be 5% or it's not going to really be as effective. So this is fantastic. Also, I forgot to mention there's this vitamin E, it's called Annatto E. This is amazing for balancing hormones because I'm in menopause. I started menopause about a year ago. I'm almost 50. I'm going to be 50 next year. And taking this Annatto E completely stopped my hot flashes. I was blown away. And part of the reason why is because Annatto E is needed to help liver function. This specific form of vitamin E from the Annatto plant is really, really effective at, it gives your liver an antioxidant. So 90% of your antioxidant system is vitamin E. And so you need vitamin E to help your liver process all these different toxins that it's exposed to every day. And so taking this vitamin E helps your liver to process toxins better. And in the process, it helps your liver to, recycle excess hormones as well. And you definitely can feel the difference in reduced hot flashes and other symptoms of menopause, feeling irritable and things like that. So this helped me a lot. But I have to say that the number one thing that helped me balance my hormones was a program called NES Health Bioenergetics. It's NES Health Bioenergetics. And this is a bioenergetic program. It's a scanner that you do. You get sent a scanner to your home and you do a scan. It tests about 500 different data points, including your hormones and hormonal function and liver function and things like that. Everything related to hormone production, your gut. A lot of your hormones are produced in your gut as well. And it gives you this very, very simple protocol to follow that you can do at home. It's basically sending new operating instructions to your body, new information to your body. And it does that through information that's imprinted onto water called infoceuticals. Really, really cutting edge stuff here. Part of the protocol, if you opt to, is this device called a My Health device. So this is something that I've used. When I do the scan, it gives me about 6 customized functions that I have to do in this My Health. And then I put that on my body and I send that information to my body on energy waves that are sent from this device. All I can say is when I'm not using this My Health and doing the NES Health program, I started having more hot flashes. I started just, having all those symptoms that we experienced during menopause. And then when I use the program, when I start doing it, everything just starts going away. All my symptoms start going away. It's really amazing. And also my libido came back when I started doing this program. I started about 5 years ago. I really had no libido whatsoever. If you're really, really stressed, your body is going to produce more stress hormones at the expense of sex hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. So what this program does is it dramatically helps to reduce stress because it makes your body work more efficiently. Your digestion, your energy production, your sleep, your circadian rhythms, everything is working more efficiently. So you have overall less stress in your body as a result. And you start producing more sex hormones and your libido comes back and your skin gets nice and soft and plump again. So long story short, I saw a dramatic reduction in my menopause symptoms. My libido came back. I sleep better. I'm just overall a happier person. It's because my hormones are balanced. And there's a lot of really good programs on this My Health as well. Programs that help with sleep, programs that help with stress, that help relax your nervous system. There are programs here to balance all of your chakras. There's programs on the My Health here that help with your hormones. It's called a female detox. There's 200 functions on here. It's really cool. I use this every day. So there'll be a link below to learn more about that. But this is my take on how to balance hormones. I do things a little bit differently because it's not enough to just take supplements and DHEA and taking pregnenolone and things that a lot of people will recommend. Those can backfire on you. Pregnenolone and DHEA can help to make hormones, but for me, I want to get to the underlying root cause of why I'm not making hormones. So that's stress reduction and sending correct information to your body and fixing your liver health as well. That's the underlying root cause of why you're not making enough hormones. Another thing to think about is if you don't eat enough cholesterol, your hormones are made of cholesterol. So if you don't eat any animal protein, if you're vegan, that's your clue right there. You have to have cholesterol to make hormones. If you don't eat it, your body will start robbing it from your cell membranes and from your brain. And then over time, it'll impact brain function and absolutely your thyroid and sex hormones as well. I eat a lot of cholesterol every opportunity I get. I eat fish eggs. Those are the food highest in cholesterol. I eat egg yolks and I eat things like that because I know that my body needs cholesterol, healthy amounts of that. So I'm Wendy Myers of MyersDetox.com. I hope this video helped to help you clarify some things you can do if you want to balance your hormones. There's a lot to it, but these are the 3 things that I do and they work great for me. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it so much. I love producing this content to help you make those distinctions to dramatically improve your health and your life as well. So click that notifications button and subscribe as well. And like the video too. I want to bring more content to you. So you have to like the video if you enjoyed it. So I'll talk to you soon.